School was good.
What up? What up? What up? What up, good people? Go ahead and give it a second. See, and that's another thing, bro. While we was chatting, the goddamn Asia session on the ES, we done already hit the freaking distro.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh man, this might be a slow night for me, dog. Might be a slow. All right, what's good, people? What's good, man? Welcome to Late Night Leverage. I'm your co-host Zay. We got my boy Quadree. Dre will be joining us in a minute, and we are the Late Night Leverage crew, where we talk futures, the market, and just kind of shoot the ish. You know what I'm saying? So tonight, we'll do what I usually do. Right? We'll kind of recap the trades we took. We'll talk a little bit about what's been going on in the market since we last saw y'all.
Yes, about.
And then we do some live trading. So, with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about my trades. So, um, first of all, bruh, let me just say, y'all know if you watch the show, y'all know London is like basically my favorite session to trade. And I had my alarm set, but I don't know what the hell happened. It didn't go off. And I woke up and I was livid. 63 points, bro. Oh my God, dog. Huh?
Wild for it to move like that.
Oh, I was tight. I was so mad because then I knew I'm like, man, I'm about to be chasing because, whenever you see a big London like that. So I composed myself. I was like, all right. The other part was I only needed like 275 to finish this combine and get my funded back. So I was like, all right, I don't want to fuck around and like blow it trying to chase.
Yep.
So I was like, I'm gonna just take some small scalps, and do a little bit here or there. So with that being said, I missed London, but then I did manage to catch a little bit of this trade 9 a.m. going into the open. I took two micros, so then that got me up to like 175, taking that trade here. And then after that, I didn't play these longs, right? I didn't play the long because I was like, whatever. And
Yep.
then towards the end of the day, I managed to scout these little wicks, basically playing these little drawdowns. So that's what got me to the end of the day. Made my last little $100, and I was good. I was like, I passed. I'm good. Give me my
Yep.
account back.
Yeah, money, boy.
So that was it, man. But before I pass it over to you, dog, this sale overnight was just crazy. I was like, yo, they gave it all the way back, son.
They
They gave
did.
it all the way back. Now, I don't know. Jay probably ain't here yet, but I think Jay be talking about, like, I use US 500, but he always mentions, I think it's SPX 500 or something different. He uses a different one, but it's pretty much like the same. However, I think this is the one that he talks about is the SPX 500 or something close to it. What I will say is yesterday, bruh, when the futures market opened and the way this daily candle looked, and we would started selling down. And once we took out this low, I was like, yo, they might mess around and go all the way back down and get this wick. Now,
Yeah.
I ain't think they was going to it overnight like that. But I was like, okay, I can see that happening, bro. I can see that happening. So, yeah, man, shout out to Jay. He probably ain't on yet, but I saw a little bit of a difference in using that versus the US 500. So I was like, cool. So yeah, so that was my trades, man. Called, like I said, had a good day. Finally got my funded back. So now it's just take care of that and see if I can catch something tonight. So we'll see. What you got,
Sure.
my G? Oh, hold on, let me pull your screen up. Jay, there you go, right there. I was just talking about you.
1 second. Let me
I see you. Hey, I see you logging in, so I'm gonna wait.
let me log in real quick. I'll show you.
I ain't gonna.
Nah, but yeah, this.
Just let me know when you're ready. God, dog, man.
I think we. Yo, listen. I think we gonna
fire
settle.
short.
They might sell us overnight, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. All right.
I kind of want them to, but I kind of don't want them to. Hey Jay, now that you hear out, what's the instrument you use? I know you don't use US 500. You use something else. Is it SPX 500? Is that what you be using? Type it in the chat. What's that instrument you be talking about? All right, you ready? Quadree? All right, let me.
Yeah. So, yep. So this morning,
SPX daily by spread X. What's that? Go ahead, bro.
Bro, it's right here. It's right here. Look. I'll show you.
You talking about what Jay talking about?
Yeah, it's this one. See?
Hold up. What are you typing in? You typing in SPX?
Just show me.
Okay. I got it. I got you. I'll add that to that for now, just right there. Okay. All right, but go ahead. You got it.
So, I like to trade my model, and then I've been tapping in with the gamma shit too. So, like, this morning, I seen we had, we texted back and forth, so I had to wait for the market to open.
Mm-hmm.
We was texting, once the market opened, it was like mad money, like mad gamma at the 6,700 level.
Mm-hmm.
All I had to wait was for my change of state to happen when we open. So this whole time I'm just waiting for the short. Once we closed here, I literally sold. I wish I would have had that many contracts, but literally. Caught me 50 points. That was it. And then we started to form a wall like around the 700 area, and that's where you saw where we bounced. And you could have took longs there. But like you, I ain't greedy, so I was good with my day. I don't need to be being stressed out.
Yeah.
But literally that move played.
Go ahead. What you gonna say?
I was just say literally that move played out in the first like 45 minutes. I'm good, man. I don't need to be doing more than what I should be doing,
Yeah. And then for me, man, I also had to manage my put positions. So I didn't want to be too like all trying, all in the futures, and then I had some positions. So
you forget about
that was another thing. I'm so glad that I took profit. I took some profits when I did, because at first I was gonna let it ride out, but then I was like, man, it was a couple of things that told me to go ahead and take profit. Number one is my plan said once you take out 67.20, that was a December low, like that was a liquidity swipe. So I was expecting to retrace from that alone. Then I think a bunch of other people was like, it bounced off of everybody's EMA, whether it was a 50, a 100, got close to the 200. Like it was a lot of confluence. Then you had, like you said, gamma wall at 6,700. So I ended up just going ahead and was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and take some profit. Plus, we had such a big gap down. And that's the one every time they gap down, I'm like, man, these niggas gonna come in and buy this shit up. Watch. Like they killing me with these gap downs and
bro. So not to mention what I seen was, what I seen?
What's up?
Our favorite tool, the weekly MAE.
Yeah, that too. We was at the bottom. Not only that, you gotta think about, we was there. If you add the higher time frame joint, I think we was like 2.5% from the 5 EMA. So I mean, again, it it was a lot of confluence down there at that 67.20 level that just was like, man, don't be greedy, take some profit. And if we bounce, you can get better trade location to kind of re-up on some puts if you want to get back in. So
They're gonna have to reload it. But like, yeah, we hit that
yeah,
level, bounce right off it cleanly, bro. To the T. And then
yep.
you see that
And what was that? What's that level? 60 what?
just the
Is
ES now.
that the futures or is that US 500?
Now we do
Okay. So I mean, yeah. So either way, yep, yes. Once we hit that downside MAE, the 50%, all of that, bro. I was like, man, I was gonna stick it out, but I was like, nah.
look,
I didn't see, huh?
this is it right here. Just the it's gonna populate.
Yeah, I think you got to do it on. You got to use US 5. Oh no, nope, it did it right there.
Yeah.
See, look at that. Even the median median MFE was 67.21.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? So again, it was too many signs.
Make influences, yeah.
Where I was just like, man, let me just go ahead, huh?
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm glad you did take profit. Like, bro, it's like right there is when they did it. Or you did scale out.
So I'm glad I did. And then
that's what I was trying to say this.
Go ahead, what you say?
That's what I was trying to say about that 6,800 this morning. I'm like, yo, that shit there, bro. So
you said what's there?
Well, I was saying we was going back and forth about 6,800 in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
And then they put us all the way down just to go way back up there. And it's like, we can't fight this range to save our lives, bro. I'm really getting annoyed with it.
Right. So, and we talked about that last week, which is, you have to fade the extremes. So again, we was at those lows, and I'm thinking to myself, bro, we finna bounce. So, fuck it, go ahead, take the profit. Which I'm glad. I had just bought those Dow puts yesterday. They did 70%. So I'm like, let me not be greedy. Let me go ahead and take those. I will say though, at the end of the day, I looked at my runners. They were still positive.
Yeah,
not as much as this morning.
Yeah, yeah, really good.
Like not as much as I think they both still positive by like maybe 10-15%, if that. So I mean they runners, so I would keep holding. But I was like, yeah, that was a good shade right there. Because won't get me. So yeah, man, overall good day, man. The other thing I'll say, bro, is I don't like how they doing energy stocks, bro. They doing energy stocks dirty, son. Now, I did look at this. It's two things about energy stocks. Number one, the volume the last 2 days has been absolutely nuts. You look at the volume on XLE and like certain energy stocks, through the roof. So I think they just, they trying to accumulate and buy these positions up. But to that point, I think they also suppressing it because you got oil up. What? Are we up? Oil's up now, what, 10%? For the week or some shit like that.
Mm-hmm.
And energy stocks, all OIH is down to start the month.
Bro. I thought my phone was something was up with the app, bro. Especially this morning when I seen oil pop, I'm like, oh, it say OIH.
I'm like,
it's slightly red. I'm like, what the heck going on? My phone.
Right, you like, how is that pop? Like, what is? So I just think they suppressing. I think they suppressing the oil stocks. But the volume looks good on them. So I think it's just a matter of time before they catch up. So Omar said, this is my first time trading oil stocks, but even with the oil, yeah, they suppressing them right now. Jay said the writing was on the wall. Yes, it was, Jay. And yeah, Jay, 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 because he commented, I gave the little signal when I had got those. I swung those puts. I said, yo, I like this location. I'm getting some puts. Boy, that overnight sale was beautiful. I was like, yo, open this market so I can sell. God damn it. And yeah, he said the VIX died at the 2830 level. That's another thing. The VIX, right? Let's talk about the VIX for a second. And I'm gonna just pull this up on my screen. And we just bouncing up and down in this range. I don't think I'm gonna get a trade tonight, so we'll see. But the VIX, there's a couple things about the VIX. Number one is I low key like how they doing the VIX because both days it'll start up over 10%, but by the close, it's not up by 10%. So the VIX rule hasn't applied yet, right? However, to Jay's point, I don't like how we got right close to that 28.99 liquidity and the shit just died off. Like, I want them to come get this. So that's why I feel like we still to me personally, I still think we got more downside to go. And we still got to clear this 29. I think the VIX got to get to 30. So I think the way they doing the VIX though is yesterday was up 7%. Today it was 9.9, so it ain't quite hit the 10 yet. So we good. We can still get some more downside. What up, Dre?
Yo, Dre.
What's popping, guys?
Cooling, man. How you, brother?
You can hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, we hear you.
You can hear me now? All right. What's good, guys? How y'all doing?
We chilling, man. We just going through our trades, looking at the market, trying to see what's good. I think, well, for the ES, it's looking like a slow night for me. You might catch something on the NQ, but yeah, man. How was your trading day? Hold on, let me give you the screen so you can review your trades.
Yeah, let me get ready. Today was a good day. Yeah, I like volatility, man. You know me. Hold up. Let me get ready. Huh?
I said, hell yeah, I love volatility too. Beautiful.
Yeah. 1 second. Okay. All right. So this morning we came in 6 a.m. That's what I trade. I missed this long early. I was not planning on thinking no long at all.
Yo, I was gonna say, talk about that sale though, boy. Look at that shit.
Yeah. Like last night, I missed this whole move. There was no way for me to. There was no way for me to get in at all. This is just said sell it.
Yeah,
And no 1 hour candle at all. Green. They forgot what green means.
right.
So we
It
just
just
straight
was.
down. Whoop. So I woke up around 2:50 in the morning, trying to be like you, catch that London train.
Bro, I missed it. I'm so mad. I told Quadree, I said, yo, London was 63 points on the ES.
Yeah. And then I said, yo, this shit's still selling. I can't get in. I have to wait. So I went back to bed. And then 6 a.m. came. I saw it because we hit the 3% here.
Yep.
And I'm like, yo, nah, there's no way. And it bounced.
Yep.
It bounced. I'm like, okay, I gotta follow the data. Like, what am I talking about? It bounced, whatever. Boom. Then around when was near 8 o'clock, I took a short 8 o'clock.
Yep.
8 o'clock. Yeah, right here. I got this short because we hit forgot what was here. Something I forgot. Something was here. MAE, I believe MAE on the 6 a.m. to 4 o'clock. The MAE was here.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay, well, we're gonna get this. We're at least gonna go touch 6 a.m. candle, the 6 a.m. candle. So I got this short here for like 20 points. And I'm like, okay, I bet. I wait. Now I wait. I be patient. I waited. Then 9:30 came. You know, it went false. Went short.
Mm-hmm.
I took this loan right here. Took that false, and I took profit because I'm like, we didn't even hit P2 omit.
No, we didn't.
Uh,
We got there. Did we
but
get? We I know ES
we
got there
got
at
there
the end of the
after.
day,
Yeah, we got there
Yeah,
after.
you later did. Yep.
which is crazy to me.
Yeah, but I'm like, yo, that's telling me there's some more lows coming.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we did this, and I got this short right here at 10. This short you like.
I think I missed it, but like I was telling Quadree, I had to manage some positions, bro. So
Yeah,
I
no, yeah, you told me. You told me.
yeah.
You got bigger money over there. You said like,
Yeah, let's not talk about let's not talk about the day you had, Negro. So, but I was just in the options market. You
yeah.
made yours in one day,
Then you have a good day, then Dre post. You ain't have a good
huh?
day. I said you think you have a good day, then Dre post. You got
Right? I'm like, let me go ahead and sit my ass down, bro.
yeah.
But I'm gonna say I'm good for the quarter. I'm like, okay, well, I got you.
No, I ain't gonna
Right.
lie. That is the truth, though. Like,
Yeah.
shout out to CVX, shout out to XOM, COP.
Yeah.
Shout out to those puts today. That was a good day. I mean, y'all already know, like XOM and CVX really did a lot of the heavy lifting.
Yeah, for sure.
I went super duper heavy on those positions in the beginning of the year, and they really played out well for me. So after that, I had a little couple of COP did really well too. Can't even lie, that was another one that did good.
That was another one that came to life. Fang came to life. Shout out to you.
You said who?
Fang. It's playing around.
Yeah.
Now.
Oh yeah. Are you positive?
Oh yeah, bro. I was negative. So on Thursday I was negative 50%. Then I'm like I'm up like 40% now.
There you go. See, look, stick it, yo. I was about to tell you the ad, bro. Remember that day we talked?
Yeah,
I was like, no, there was that big sale. I'm like, bro, they getting all these upgrades.
Yeah. So what happened was that day. So remember I told you I got an XLE?
Yeah.
I got back in the same place, bro.
Oh shit, that's the other one. I had XLE. That's
at
the beginning of the year.
I was like, bro, there's no way. Wait, because Thursday after, so we had a show Wednesday.
Yeah.
And then oil was up Thursday morning.
Yep.
Right.
Shout out to EOG.
So when oil was up Thursday morning, the minute the market opened Thursday, I got back in my plays again, my oil plays. Because I'm like, bro, ain't no way in the world this narrative we having about to work.
Yeah, that's how I felt. That's why I got back in the EOG. I was like, I'm glad I got back in the EOG because I was like, yo, energy's about to go crazy, bro. I was like, I was like, I got to keep some type of energy exposure. And EOG was the one chart that I was like, I like this one the best. So like I'm glad I got back in. But yeah, and dog, listen, first of all, let's clap it up for ourselves because we was talking about energy last quarter. If you go watch our shows from last year, Dre first brought up OIH. We was talking about energy and how it could, we've been smoking this energy trade. So yeah, man.
Feels good.
And then, bro, experience, bro. Last year I was in silver, got out early. Silver did what it did, and then I made a post on X in the beginning of the year is oil the next metals for this year. So I gotta say to myself, man, I can't be. I gotta,
Yeah, we gotta trust we know our shit, bro. We just gotta just be patient. That's the biggest thing.
Yeah, you gotta be patient. Hell yeah.
Just let the thesis play out because we saw that price. We saw oil was telling us it wants to go. We just ain't know what was gonna happen to do it, but price itself was showing us beforehand something's finna pop off, bro. So
we've been.
Go ahead, Dre. What you say?
We've been thinking oil since.
Nigga, since them lows.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we started here.
Not those.
This
ones.
is May.
What's this? That's a 3-day. What time?
Yeah, this
what's
is
that
October.
date? What's that date?
October.
Yes, so around there, we definitely was talking about it when it made that other low right there.
I'm gonna tell you when I got it. Like I can tell you based off XLE. Um, for me, yeah, I got in. Yeah, I got in oils like mid-December.
That's how long we've been talking about it.
That's when we started really talking about it because we started talking about 2026.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Right here. Yeah. December.
Yep. Right there. We was on it.
Sir.
We was on it. So.
And we said 57 was the price they liked right
Yep.
here. They were buying it up.
Yep.
And New Year came. Boom. Came back down.
Yep.
And it's up here now. 75.
They said this. And my biggest thing was if it could hold that big sale candle to your left, Dre, that big black candle, as long as we stay above that, that's how I knew. That was my personal signal that the market believe this Middle East stuff is gonna go longer than expected. Because that candle right there was the first time we hit Iran. It popped up and then gave it all back in the same day. I was like, if oil do that same thing, then all right, this shit gonna be over fast. If oil don't do that and it hold, the market is talking this, they thinking it's gonna go longer. So now my next part is I think Trump folds. I want to see how he react when oil get to 80. If he don't fold when it get to 80, I think he fold if we get to 100.
But I'm gonna say this though. I would say, let's say he do fold. I think the ramifications is going to still be in effect for a little bit before they shake that off. All these I was looking into the closure that I can't see the name.
Straight up Humars.
Yeah, I don't know how to say that. That's just the straight. I was like, so you think about because then you see articles. Oh, well, that's why they got Venezuela, but they still can't get the oil out of that mug yet. They still got it. That Venezuela joint years of trying to work that. Not saying it's going to last for a while, but I think we said this morning in our chat. I think $100 is reasonable. I think it's reasonable.
We call that. Yeah. 100. I mean, the chart tell you, bro. The chart is telling us 100 is a good place. If you see, let me see, quarter chart. Look at this quarter.
Yeah, the quarter, right? That's what I'm saying. Like, look at the energy quarterly charts, bro. They're gonna finish March strong, bro. All them quarterly charts look good as hell.
He took this high already, right? From last 25, April 2025.
Yep.
Once we clear that,
what's that high? What's that high on that black candle? Right, the one next to it to the right, Dre. Yeah, that's what's that level? What's that
high? 76, 48.
There you go. For me, I would be looking for as long as we stay above that and close above that. That's the goal. That's the go. That's the go level. We get above that, then we go for that next big black one to the left.
Yeah, that's 90. That will be 90.
There you go.
Yep. Yeah, some at a time, baby.
Yeah. Yeah. So, damn, I hate that it had to be war, but we knew it was coming, dog. I hate that it had to be war.
Bro, and then I see people saying, "Oh, y'all to be ashamed of yourself, bro." They've been making money off us mad long, bro.
Yeah. First of all, it ain't even us that's doing it. Like big money is like what you talking about?
Big money been making money off.
I'm just following the flow.
Right.
You guys ought to be ashamed of yourself. You're happy. You're proud.
My bad, bro. My screen went up.
I got you. I'll put it back up. Or I'll put mine up. Go ahead. What you saying, Quadree?
Yeah, but people saying, "Oh, you guys shouldn't be happy about war because you're making money." I'm like, bruh, my little $1,000 ain't shit.
First of all, I'm gonna say this: I ain't happy for the war.
Exactly.
But I ain't gonna never not be happy for like
The
I ain't
only
gonna
thing
never not be happy
I
making
wouldn't
money.
say happy about what I would, and we all should pat ourselves on the back is we did the research. We did the
Right.
research. We didn't know how we was going to get there. So all the times there, look at Staples, look at everything. Defense is up. We already said that shit. So it's like that's not our fault.
Right. You know what else is crazy too? If you really think about it, the market been telling us war was coming because what been really rocking this whole
Yo,
entire
we've been rocking.
aerospace and
Yo,
defense.
they've been rocking since the Liberation Day. You look at
Yeah,
those, bro.
right. Like
Them
if you
things,
really look at what been rocking, yo, the aerospace and
yo,
defense
bro.
area as well as energy this year have been going crazy. We've been saying that all year, like aerospace and
Right.
defense, energy. So it's like it ain't us. That's the look, hey, I don't know what to say. I do know what to say. I want to say, first of all, protect our troops, right? We have lost some soldiers, so I definitely send prayers out to their family because again, I didn't wish war would happen, but at the
I
same
don't know.
time, I was prepared for if this happened to be it, like Trap say, be in position. Like I'm in position to where I'm not panicking over what's going on. I think I was talking to somebody on Twitter about this, and I was like, yo, like, I'm sorry, but everything that's happening, either I'm desensitized because this shit doesn't surprise me. Like this is the pattern. This is what happens. So either
Bro,
you
even if you take a little, if you look at our stock almanac, it's a second year, midterm year, usually when we prone to go to war. That's just that's
right.
historical. Like they ain't even like
What's good, Pat?
that's like
Exactly.
Yeah. So, anyways, but I will say this though, with this whole Iran stuff, this shit is definitely escalating very fast and way, I guess, heavier than I thought. I mean, I didn't, from the people we have in our community and the people we know, one of our guys kind of told us like this ain't Venezuela, so this ain't gonna be no quick shit.
yeah,
However, I didn't expect for it to go so regional because now you got Israel attacking Hezbollah in Lebanon. You got Saudi about to get in.
bro.
You got
That Dubai joint threw me for a loop.
yeah, like they attacking
You
Dubai.
know, on my
Like
phone, I'm like,
they sending missiles all over the middle. They attacking
yeah, I'm like,
all. They done hit Kuwait. They done hit Dubai. Who
Yeah,
else they
they
done
lost
hit
that.
over there? Also somebody else mentioned it. Don't forget, bro. Pakistan and somebody else is about to go to war.
For
Like
real?
they fighting over there in the Middle East.
Mm.
I can't think of who the other country is, but like shit is getting crazy over there.
Hmm.
So this that was the concern is that if it goes off like this, would it turn into a regional war? And again, there go Captain. My boy Kurt said he said Afghan. Yeah, so Afghan and Pakistan kind of going at it. So that shit escalating. You got everybody that's they starting to fortify over there. It's getting crazy, man. Shit. Iran done threatened, bro. They said any ship that try to go through the Strait of Hormuz, we gonna bomb it.
they gonna bomb it.
So now Trump like, oh, you gonna get a U.S. escort? Okay, guess what happened? As soon as Iran bomb or hit a U.S. ship, it's gonna get worse.
Right.
It's gonna get worse. So this is not looking like it's gonna be this ain't looking like this is gonna be over no time soon. Put it that way. This is definitely gonna be a couple weeks.
I
And
got short.
oh, you took a short?
Yeah.
Bet. I already know the level I want to get short at. Let's see if I can
I'm
get
just waiting
filled.
for a closure. 1 3 minute. But yeah,
It's cool. Oh hell yeah! Oh nah, this shit hit TP. God damn.
Who yours?
Yeah. Damn.
God damn. What happened? Oh,
Yeah.
you only going for 15 points. That's right.
Yeah. Damn. Okay. That was quick. It's 8 o'clock. My bad, bro. I call you up.
No, that was all right.
Shit, let's go. God
Dang, bruh.
damn, Cody. Why you didn't tell me you can push him forward, man?
I got it. I'm on the I got it. I'm on the ES.
Oh, you go. Let's go.
I know. Look, I there goes mine right here.
Let's go, baby. God, I should have
Thank you,
stayed.
Dre, for
I'm about
stopping us.
to.
I have my setup right there too.
Let's go. Yeah, I see it. See.
Come on, come on, come on. If we get back to that, yep, I'm gonna take that. I take a quick 200. I'm out.
Let's go. Fund it.
Nah, this is I'm not I gotta let the funded breathe, bruh. I just got it back today.
Okay, no, that's cool.
But I'm working on a second combine with Apex.
Let's go. That's my guy. Let's go.
Yeah.
See?
So I took it on my phone. Yo, another thing is, my Apex works better on my phone. So I take it on my phone and
They
then
do,
I
right?
do it.
I'll be training
Yeah,
using.
like when I
Well,
do
you
it
know
from my
what?
computer, that shit goes so slow. So
Y'all tell me, have y'all had an update where you got when you sign a trader bit, it take you to the website?
yes, and every
Yeah,
time you log
yeah.
in, yes,
Yeah,
bro.
I'm doing it, bro.
That's new now. Damn.
That's
Yo,
why I
Cody,
was
let me
like,
know
I gotta
next
start
time,
taking it.
bro. Gotta let me know, Cody. God damn, bro. Pushy Marcus over here.
So I just take it. I take it from my phone on Apex, and then I can watch it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that
Nah,
shit's.
the
I
other day
don't like.
I was trying to hop in the trade, bro, and I'm like, yo, where's this screen, bro? What is the screen while I'm not logged in? I had to
You know,
go. I had to log in. I had to. I see. I
Yeah,
had to
you
go.
gotta, and then it's like a big workaround. You gotta log in and like,
Yeah.
bro, that shit is a lot, bro.
damn, yo. 50 points short? Jesus.
Well, he must have he messaged you privately because I don't know where you see that at.
No. I just fucking with him. Nah, I'm messing with him.
Yeah, that was beautiful. Yeah, my CS. Yeah, that shrink there for him.
You see it right there, Quadree? Yeah. We haven't taken. ES took a direction yet?
I don't know, but I'm up 10 points on ES.
Let
No.
me see.
ES don't move like this.
I'm gonna go down. Let me go down to the 15-minute.
NQ's right now. Globe is open. No. Okay.
No, we ain't pick a direction yet.
Okay. We fighting the open right now on NQ. Um, yeah. Oh, you took profit though, Zay. Quadri, you still short?
Yeah, I'm still sure. Yep.
Oh, let's go, bro. See.
He said it's a trader rate force thing. They're having a rate limit issue, so they made trading views slow down logins. Okay. Yeah,
What's good, Ferrari? See, you short?
Yeah, that joint is annoying, Cody. That shit is annoying as fuck to have to do that.
Think this shit about to go
You still
down.
short? You still short, Dre? Or what you? You got full
No.
screens.
No. I'm already to profit.
No, I'm in the
Gotcha.
trade.
What you looking at? All right, hold
Who,
up. Let
me?
me pull up Dre. Yeah, you
Oh,
got
for
4
sure.
screens. Oh, there
Oh
you
yeah,
go,
I
Quadree.
got. Go ahead.
Go ahead. What you were saying?
I got different time frame.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let's go, Quadri. See,
If I see they pop me back up.
this is ES.
Yeah.
Man, Jay mess you up, man. Yo, Jay, bring my boy back, man. We need my boy HQ, man. Come on, Jay.
Yo, go look at my expos, bro. You know, look. I mean, shoot, I ain't.
No, I see you. I see you killing it out
I
there,
just
bro.
be going heavy, bro. Easy.
What, 20 contract?
Yep.
Damn. Nah, bro. Shit.
I be getting a couple of thousand off the motherfucking MESs, bro.
Nah,
Woo.
let's go.
Bro, I'm trying to get my candles back to regular color though. That jump pisses me off. I don't know how to get back to default.
What you mean? You did some bullshit?
Like my red, you see my red, bro? That jump look crazy,
Yeah.
bro.
Hell yeah. I switched my shit to
I don't
white.
know how to get my joint back to default red and green.
Why not? Yeah, you
Oh,
do.
we about to get that. We about to hit them too. We about to get that. Give me that.
Yep. Break even.
Clean. Break even. That shit about to go. Let's go. And go short. Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. That's 5 minutes. Yes, sir. See. We getting news, yo. We moving. Let me see.
We got China manufacturing PMI 830.
From where? China?
Yeah, China, yep.
Yeah. Bet.
Hmm.
Yeah, we get below this open. It's gonna get ugly tonight, baby. Again.
I hope it don't though, man. I don't want it. Like every time we get down, they buy it up, bro. I'm like, bro, stop.
Bro, we
Like,
get back down
shit.
there. I'm gonna put my joint way down there in case so I don't get stopped out.
We get
I'm
London.
tired. You said who?
London probably do the damage. You good? I'm gonna put my alarm, bro. Well, I'll be waking up at 2:50 without no alarm, so I'm good.
Yeah, that's I usually do the same too, but I don't. I was smooth knocked out last night. I ain't hear shit. Nigga, I woke up. It was like 5. I looked at the damn market. I said, "You got to be kidding me, bro." I was like, dog.
Yeah,
I was tight, bro. I was tight. I ain't gonna lie. I was like, yo.
crazy.
I was like, God, that would have been a beautiful trade.
Hey. Man, we get below this open, weekly open. Wow.
You said we get below where?
Weekly open and the open, they're close together right now, right here.
I got you. Bruh, listen, man. We ready. Look, the market ready for expansion, bro. It's just, it's just
It's
still
NFP. They're gonna do
First
it.
of all, my
They're
thing
gonna
is,
do it.
today was the first time we finally was able to test the mad elusive 6720. We're gonna test that level again before it's all said and done. In that
67.20.
second time we test it, we'll find out if the buyers is the real deal. Because if that 6720 do not hold, bro, we're going back to at least 6650, if not 6500. That's on SPX.
Yeah. Well, you know what that bad test I did over the weekend, the NDX.
Mm-hmm.
I think we went to test that 50% and dropped like crazy.
You talking about on the 3-month joint?
Yeah. So every time March begin below.
Oh yeah,
February,
that right there. Yep. What's the average drop though? Do you know? Like when you looked at it, what was the percentage?
I didn't
drop?
measure the. No, I didn't measure it
Okay.
because 2022 was ridiculous.
I mean,
yeah. And now in Bloomberg, actually, they were talking about this market look like 2022. I'm like, okay, we've been saying that for the past 3 months.
I honestly though, bro, I don't think it looks like 2022 in my opinion though.
Nah, you know why? Because now this is the problem. The problem is this oil, right? If this oil thing with the little um that little bridge that you need to go through to get the oil through,
The straight,
they
yeah, the
close
straight.
that thing. That's the problem. If they shut down that place, inflation is gonna come in back to the market. And one thing the Fed hate is inflation spiking up. They won't
Well,
take it.
so to
Yeah.
your point, Fed Cash Kari, he already came out and said it. He said it
He
today.
said, what is
It
that?
was like he basically was like, prior to the Iran situation, inflation was headed in a good path, and he was like, now, this puts us in a spot where we kind of got to wait, because yeah, if oil goes up, that's going to cause inflation to go up. They definitely can't cut rates then.
No,
So
that's
it
a
puts them
problem.
in a. So at that point, I already feel like they not about to cut rates this month. It's a wrap.
You know,
And
heavy.
then we got NFP Friday. If that jobs report come in okay, and then we see unemployment still okay, it's no reason to cut rates. Is so yeah,
They 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 got it's tough.
they
Tough, bro.
hands is tied. They
They
hands tied.
tight. It's
Yeah,
tight. So
they hands
that
is
market
tied.
don't like that, bro. Market gonna snap one day. Say, whoop, let's sell this shit 3%, bro. Fuck
That's
it.
why I think Friday is gonna be the official break the camel's back. Like we just waiting for Friday.
Oh my god, Friday.
NFP Friday, baby.
TV. Yeah, man.
And I think who said it? Was it somebody said there's a lot of negative, or it was my boy Captain Kirk. He said the dealers from the platform he got, I saw the comment, he was saying 660 for Friday, so that would basically be 6600.
Mm.
And I know Jay has his platform, so he probably can look at it
Jay,
too.
what
And I
sauce
know,
you got for us? What level you looking at,
I
man?
think and then earlier, Quadree was telling me it was a lot of negative games towards the end of the week too. So, um,
Mm.
I mean, yeah, bro. Shit.
Tell you what, don't look at it. Don't
They
You
been
said
me
what?
calling me.
tell you what, it
I,
don't look
I look
like
at it like this: the sellers got till Friday. All they got
Mm.
to do, all they got to do is just keep the market under 6,800 between tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, and ultimately, I would love to see a weekly close below 6720. You get that this by the Friday, it's gonna get ugly.
So I'm gonna say later on before we end, I'm gonna come back to what I said last week about NFP. So yeah, can hold me accountable for what I'm gonna elaborate on it.
You
So
don't want to do it right now?
I
Ain't nobody.
can.
Yeah, do it. I mean, Quadree, his trade cooking. We'll just his trade cooking. You got it. I think we about to get a direction too. FYI.
Yeah.
Well, at least the ES, it looked like it's like a couple of ticks away from breaking that low.
yep. That's crazy. I got getting 12 points on the ES on a night.
That's popping.
Yeah, I mean, Dre said that the VVIX higher, so we gonna get a little bit of movement.
Oh,
It may
so
not be it ain't gonna be crazy, but it's enough.
definitely a move.
Oh, there you go. We just fired short too, Quadri.
Yep.
It did. Yeah.
Yeah, at least the ES did.
Let's
Oh,
go.
man.
So, all right, my peeps.
Oh
Damn,
yeah.
that was
Let's go
really
back.
short.
So last week, let me put the mark here.
Woo.
Oh yeah. I'm dropping.
Yeah, we are.
So Wednesday, we were in the show at night right here. Came up,
Hmm.
got our NFP, and I
Oh,
said we're gonna hit the 5 EMA that was here last week. It was around the 5, the 1%, the 5% were here last week. One was here, the other one was here. We hit both to the T, and then we didn't hold this high. We came out, pick above, whoop. Thursday did some damage,
Mm-hmm.
get back in, close below that high. Then Thursday
Mm.
came, we opened. Thursday night, we stay below the 75% of the NFP right here. We stay there. So down. What? Went to the close to the low. Stay in between the 25% and the low on Monday. Came back up yesterday. Right? We Mondays. So I don't know. We got this buy up like crazy. I'm like, okay, what's going on? Anyways, um, then last night sold back down, and it's funny. Like Zay, I told we talk about it on the chat today. I say if we close below this low, NFP low, then
Mm-hmm.
it was gonna be ugly day today.
Mm-hmm.
But we held this low right there,
Yeah,
and
I'm glad. Save some shit for Friday.
and now we went straight up to the middle of the range.
Uh-huh.
We rejected here at 12
Yep.
end of day, and now we dropping now. So, and
Mm.
all of that's happening before Friday, right? After
Mm-hmm.
Friday, I'm gonna have a new NFP,
Mm-hmm.
and the other thing is we are below the monthly 50%
Yes, we are.
right here,
Mm-hmm.
This motherfucker.
and
Yes, it is going. I'm like, God dang, dog. Short is popping.
yeah. So
Fuck.
Wednesday,
We gotta
Sunday,
shut this shit down again.
yeah. Wednesday, Sunday,
Mm-hmm.
right
Well, we
now,
about to break it now. Shit. We had to
right
lower
there.
that.
That's yeah, and then Tuesday, retest Wednesday type of shit.
Yeah. I was thinking about that too, Drew. I was like, are we gonna get a retest Wednesday? Last 2 Wednesdays we ain't got them. They go the opposite
Yeah.
way, and then we get it. Then we get a reversal Thursday, though.
Right. Yeah. The thing is, Jay, I know you track ES. ES took this low, NQ didn't. So I don't know if NQ
But you
ES is
gotta, but you gotta. So all right, Dre, about that, right?
Mhm.
The NQ has it been took out December low.
Yeah. That's what
The
yeah.
ES just took out December low now.
Yep.
That's what I'm gonna ask Jay and you. Now that you took that low, you feel there's more selling coming.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yo, listen,
So
Dre.
here, I'll
Like,
show you.
it's a
I'll show you.
possibility we can get
Yeah,
a
let me.
650 at the end of the week.
Yeah, so here
Oh,
I'll
what?
show you this because this what I'm looking at. Dre.
I don't look at ES. So I need I
I
know
mean,
NQ started the party to the downside. I
Yes, it
want to know
did.
if
All right.
ES is gonna follow me, so I can sell
So
this shit.
check this out, right? So this is the ES right here, right?
Right.
So we finally took out the December low, right?
Yeah.
And the other thing is the NQ is really close to taking out November low,
Yeah. Quarterly lows. We
right?
close.
The quarterly low, right?
Right.
But
Yeah.
you can look how much further the ES has before it even gets down there,
Yeah.
right?
3%.
Now
Right?
the other key part is here's the thing that's going to help with the party. The YM, it still hasn't taken out December's low yet.
Mm.
So it hasn't taken out December's low at all. It got below February, got below January, but here is the December low. So that's going to be I think what happens is you get the NQ taking out quarterly lows.
Mm.
You'll get the YM finally testing the December low, and then that is going to be what helps bring the ES down and probably test, or go a little bit lower. So,
bad. All right.
and
There
is
you have
oil
it,
going
bro.
back up? Let's go. As long as oil, we just need oil to keep going up. As long as oil keep going up, keep
Yes.
going, oil. Keep going, oil. We need you. Also,
Man.
Dre, you pointed this out, and I don't think a lot of people talking about it. The dollar,
Buzzing. Going
bro, it
crazy.
got it almost back to 100.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the dollar got a nice little,
And
you
yeah, the thing with dollar
nice little reverse.
is like the flight quotation, right? Flight to safety, right? Because Europe oil went crazy today. And the oil
Yeah,
went stupid over there. It went
yeah,
nuts.
okay, yeah, yeah.
It went nuts. They haven't seen prices like this in 2022. They don't know what to do out there because they use the BTI. We use something else. It's some different there.
Yeah.
They, theirs hit 80. Ours only hit 70
Dang,
something.
son. Oh man, you still in that short Quadree? Cause we are cooking,
He's
boy.
laughing. He's chilling. He's not doing anything.
Let me go pull up his screen, cause damn boy, that long, that chart. What's good, Carl? Jay said 6650 is possible. Oh, for sure. Kurt said maybe we get a divergence and one doesn't take prior quarter low. The only one I think that might not take prior quarter low would be the YM.
Why? Yeah.
I think the NQ and ES get it for sure.
But
Yeah.
Carter, you started on 2 now,
Yeah.
only one red day
They
since then. She's
heard that gaming shit. Yep.
yeah.
We get money.
How's that? How's that? Damn. Oh, you down to your runner, huh?
Yeah. For sure. I just wanted to see if it stop me out or whatever, but
Why your buy stop got 4 there?
oh, thank you, bro. I'm tweaking because I had 4 contracts.
Boy, you finna fuck
you
up.
said that you said that's new at 8:30, right, Quadri?
Yeah, the China joint.
All right, I'm waiting for that. I'll probably get short again.
Yeah, China PMI.
Carl said NQ move is the AI trade unwinding. Yeah. They keep hitting software.
5.
They took MongoDB to the fucking woodshed today, boy.
That shit went crazy.
Bro, that shit was down like $80.
Let's see what it's gonna do.
I was about to hit 830.
Yes, 8:30 now. The news just came out
Right now.
So I was gonna react. All right, it wasn't.
Screen. How's the new looking?
It's looking like we about to keep sliding. I know that.
This shit going crazy down. Good night, baby.
Golly, bro, we finna go
Dang.
crazy.
We were about to miss this short talking crazy. Shit. All right.
I didn't say nothing, but I would have missed it.
Yeah. Yo, where's my water? Oh. Dang. Good night today. Shit, let's go.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, NQ about to take PM lows.
Yeah, we about to keep going.
Yeah, NQ. Yeah, let's go. Cody, you're not trading this, right? Car, you short car? Let me know, car.
Damn, looking at the weekly MAE, we finna slide at least back down to 67.90 on the ES.
Let me pull it up.
We're right there.
Lower, bro.
You said what?
China, that shit came lower. They were expecting
Yeah,
49 points. Yeah, that shit came lower, bro. Mm. Yeah. Good night, bro. Yeah, these shit don't look good, bro. Nah, man. No, this hourly kind of looks crazy.
that's what I'm saying. And it's right there. It's finna hit that MAE, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Don't be surprised. We see some quarterly lows tomorrow, bro. we not
I
we
hope
not
not.
far from it. They might do it
We
before
gotta save it
NFT,
for
but
Friday, Dre.
I don't know, man. The way we looking right now, bro. Nah, I
Yeah,
don't know.
but you know how it's been going, bro. They'll buy it up and then we'll drop again. It's all possible.
Where's
Yeah.
my Where's my alert? Hold up.
We was almost there.
We only 400 points away. That's nothing. That's light. Come on, NQ. You got it. 487 points. Okay. 2% day. Clean.
I
Damn, Zay,
thought we
we
was
going
gonna have it. I thought we was gonna have one today, but they freaking bought the dip.
yeah. NFP stop us from that damage.
But then
That
again,
crazy.
it's also I ain't mad at it because again we was at extremes. It was only Tuesday, and it's
Mhm.
like, all right, we gotta save something. You can't, you gotta save a little bit, bro. You can't make your whole entire weekly move in 2 days.
Facts. I agree with that.
So, you know, all good. Mm. All right, so let's see what else, fellas. Let me go see. I got some comments. We got Matt. What's good, man? We got Matt Investor in the building. Watch Apple YM for Divergence for sure. There hasn't been an insider buy in Nvidia for years. Shit, they need to have some insider sales. Nah, making food for the kids. Facts.
Yeah.
So we covered our trades. We talked about the Iran situation. We covered basically where the market is at. Dre showed us the NFP situation. So yeah, man, we got about 25 more minutes. So if y'all got any questions or anything, drop them in the chat. Um, Other than that, it was a good night. Quadree caught a short, I caught a short, Drake caught a short. So we all green for the evening. That's when it's good when we get nights like this where we get some movement, quick, easy
Yeah.
trade, knock it out. Little cash flow for the evening, go to sleep green.
Facts. Feels good.
Facts. That should be the best.
Yeah.
And shout out to oil. We up, baby.
Yes, sir. Yo, it's crazy. One of the future platforms I used to trade with, they told me they put restrictions on oil. I'm like, what?
You know what that means? That's because they don't want to get caught up in
Yeah.
what happened with the metals when oil go crazy. They're like, oh no, we about to we see what's about to happen here.
We don't need that.
And so,
Yeah.
hey Dre, just to add something more too, bro. I know you was talking about the Strait of Hamas like getting closed, but if you also haven't noticed, because of all this stuff that's going on in these attacks, they also are like shutting down some of these oil outputs and stuff. Like I don't know if you noticed or saw, but Iraq said they are reducing their oil output by like 700 barrels per day or some shit.
Yeah.
Saudi Aramco, they now trying to figure out ways to get their stuff around Africa. So yeah, it's about to be some major disruption, bro. It's gonna be some major disruption, and it's going to be major disruption as long as this situation lasts. And look, if you take Trump at his words, they basically said this is going to be 4 to 5 weeks. And like we talked about, that's the perfect narrative to get you all the way through March, a little bit into April, at the same time, huh?
He be good on his timelines. He said 10 days to make a decision. He got them at 9. So
you ain't lying, right? Then he said, yeah, they got 10, 15 days. They get 9 days later, bombs was dropping. I'm like, damn.
You're already ready. So that
so
means
best believe when he say 4 or 5 weeks, that means freaking by the end of March, going into early April, we're gonna see oil probably pushing 80, 85. And he gonna be like, all right, campaign good.
We good.
We good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and exit all my energy plays, and I'm going right into tech.
Facts.
I will say though, I was also surprised by the drop in metals today. I don't know what happened or why they dropped, but like gold and silver, platinum, they all took a pretty decent hit today.
Yep, I got stopped out.
Oh yeah, that was a nice little bounce. I mean, good trade though, bro. Shit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a nice little bounce right there.
Yeah.
Damn, that was a hell of a bounce. Shit.
Hell yeah.
We bounced right back in the range. I can tell you right now, Dre, this is about to be a weird ass overnight session. We got a high at 9:15 or at 7:15, and we got a low at what's that? 8:30.
Mm-hmm.
On the ES. I don't know if the NQ the same, but
NQ got 1900.
1915?
1900.
1900.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah, these ranges are getting super expanded too. ES Asia session, we done did 37 points. The average, right? The 10-day average right now is only 22. So we done overshot Asia. Let's see. Carl said oil pumping up is going to hit inflation. Well, did y'all? I don't know if you saw it, but shit, gas jumped like 11 cents overnight. The gas, the pumps ain't waste no time raising gas prices. I tell you that.
They got the indication of the raise in prices. They said we ain't waiting,
bro.
Right.
I saw that shit. I said, damn, gas prices went up already. Shit.
They're not wasting no time.
Bruh, I definitely went straight to the gas station and filled up both my goddamn cars. I need that cheap gas. What happened?
Facts.
He said Iran didn't close the strait. Insurance companies cancel policies. I mean, yeah, it's a lot of back and forth, bro. Iran saying they closed it. Some people saying it ain't closed. All I know is this: Iran said if anybody try to go through that strait, we finna bomb your ass. So I know they said that. So whether it's closed or not, try to come through at your own risk.
Not playing with them.
Yeah, that's why Trump said, well, now you're going to get a U.S. escort. But see, that's the problem. The U.S. Navy can't escort every single tanker or whoever through that damn strait.
It's getting spicy.
Yes, it is, brother. Yes, it is. Getting some rejection.
Yeah, we fighting the weekly open right now.
Yeah.
Mm.
I really don't want no big gap down tomorrow, man. Like, if anything, I would say this, Dre. Tomorrow, I wouldn't even be mad if we had a range one day, bro.
Damn. That's how you feel?
That's how I feel, bro. Because you got dog. Monday and Tuesday have been kind of volatile, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, like, and then if you think about it, if you look at the weekly MAE, MFE, bro, we don't went from we we went. No, let me just show you this, brother. Like, this shit is. I be looking at this. I'm like, this why this is my favorite indicator. But bro, this shit is crazy. How in 2 days, bro, you got like look what we've done, son. So to start it off, pop it off. We open. We hit 100. Sold
Mm-hmm.
down to 100. Hit the what's this? This is we hit the median MFE and we almost made it to the average, right? This all
Yeah.
just overnight. This before we even got to the open. Then we get to the open and we basically went from the median MA all the way up to the damn near to the fucking 60%. We got to the 80% on the MFE. Only to turn around and go from the freaking 80% to the 60% MFE on the other side. Only to then bounce back up to the 100% to the T. Bro, it's only Tuesday.
Right? Crazy. Yeah, man. Yeah,
That's
that's wild.
crazy, son.
That's
Bro,
wild.
we basically hit all the extremes in 2 days. Now, yeah, let's just go ahead and chop it up a little bit on Wednesday and
Hey.
chop it up a little bit on Wednesday, and then we see what happened on Thursday and Friday. Because golly,
Hell yeah.
I think the NQ probably did the same thing.
Let
Let
me
me
see.
see. It ain't as extreme, but yeah, we hit 100 down to the 100, all the way up to the 80, all the way down to the 90, all the way back up to the 100, and now we just fighting with the weekly open.
Yep.
That's crazy.
When was that's a Monday? What higher day is that? That's a Tuesday? No, Monday, right?
We're right here.
Yeah, what's that?
That's Monday at
Monday?
2:00.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're right at the middle right now. Shit. Yeah, we get to that. Oof. $8:45. New 15-minute candle. Let's go.
Let's get it.
Woo.
Yeah, we can't get past this big candle here. What's this open? 775. Let me just test this out a little bit. See. Yeah, the way this looking, the 4 hour look like. And you know what else is crazy too, Dre? Is that 10, like if you go to a 4 hour, that 10 o'clock candle on the ES
Mm-hmm.
and NQ. That was a hell of a rip.
Yeah,
So it might
it
just it
was.
might that's and we in the sell the rip mode. So
Mm,
I don't that
yeah.
candle might not get no follow through, bro.
Mm. Yeah, they like that. I missed that long because when we drop
That shit,
it happened too fast. I'm like,
it
damn.
did. That shit went quick,
Yeah,
boy.
yeah, it went crazy. I'm like, yo, what the hell?
And then if you look at the
Definitely went.
12-hour, bro,
Hmm.
the 12-hour structure is bearish.
Yes, very.
So, you look at the NQ 12-hour structure. I don't think overnight we are going to be able to take out this high. So we most likely just range. You get an inside. We might even get an inside bar tonight for real. For real.
Let me see. Oh yeah, you're probably right. Unless
Take a
we
look
go.
at the NQ
Yeah.
because I don't think we're going to take out a high or a low overnight, bro.
Mm. Let me see.
I don't see
I
it
mean,
happening.
we dropped 600 points between London and Asia last night.
Yeah, I know. Trust me, I
I
know.
don't I don't doubt it nothing no more. I'm not doubting it. Nothing. Yeah, man.
Oh, you saying we're gonna get another crazy London?
No, I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know. I just anything can happen, you know. Any headline crazy, that shit might go crazy. Yeah, 600 points, bro. They doubled their ranges. Asia
Yeah.
and London last night. I'm like, damn. I was telling Car this morning, like, bro, what the hell? He goes, nah, man, you gotta be careful out here in the streets. Yeah, man. Hmm. You got 10 minutes. 9 o'clock.
Oh, there we go. Going back down. Damn, I ain't even get filled.
Nah, hey.
I just wanted to see if it would fill, but it says the Nikkei is down. It extends its decline. It's down 3% today.
3%
Yeah,
today. Damn.
yeah. The global markets is taking a big hit, boy.
Yeah. Yeah, that oil, it changed everything, man. For
Mm-hmm.
sure. It hits everybody. Different.
Oh, ain't this some ish?
Yeah. Damn. I was sure 758.
Yeah.
Who? Anybody got no earnings left, right? Right. No.
Hey, AVGO Thursday.
Yep.
EV. CrossStrike was today.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
were.
They getting smoked.
I think it's like flat.
Flat.
They actually up $1.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
there you go.
Yep.
Yeah. Damn. So yeah, guys, patient tomorrow. Wait for your move. Let it come to you. Um, it's U train Q. You know,
If you know, you
it's
know.
$100, 100 point move is like that. Um, just be mindful of that. If you can't handle that, go to MNQ and yeah, play it safe. Don't go crazy on Twitter. Don't even look at Twitter. If you trading, don't even look at Twitter.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that. Nah, man. Just let that shit go. Let them fight.
Right.
Let them people fight. Just make your money. Go to call it a day. And if you make your money, don't try to stretch it because you're moving crazy. Don't do that. Just close your computer. Go toast grass. Take a walk. Do something. Yeah. The market, we take it back. Yeah, for sure. It would definitely take it back. But yeah,
Jay said negative gamma, my love. Yeah, we officially in negative gamma
oh,
territory.
we dropping, bro.
Yes, we
Just so
are, bro.
Yeah, we losing weekly open. We close below now. Mm, About to get ugly, bro. We're gonna have a candle for a 1 hour candle close below weekly open. That's not good. These hourly candles don't look good. Don't look good.
I mean, we did fire short for Jay said,
Yeah.
"Yep, okay, so we are officially in negative gamma territory." Okay.
At least 500s.
yeah, probably me on the short, bro. I let this bitch ride all night, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
You gonna get
You
short?
about
No, I ain't gonna do it though.
Just paper trader. Just fuck it.
No, I ain't no point in doing that no more.
No, there is a point. Nah, yeah.
either I'm gonna take it or I'm not.
Nah, nah. Way past that stage, man.
What's weird is why does y'all thing say it says we near prior day mid
Who? Yes.
on the ES? Yeah, on the ES we're sitting right on prior day mid.
Yeah, we are 6802.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna be excited to wake up for London.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure my alarm is loud and clear tonight. I'm not missing it again.
Yeah.
I don't
This
even
is
know.
my
Let me make
night.
sure I gotta make sure my shit is even set because I'm so tight that it didn't go off last night. I'm like, what happened, bro? So that's probably why I ain't hear it. Weak ass alarm. That joint was soft as hell. I was like, no wonder. I gotta pick one of them like
Bro, I was like, why I keep
Yeah.
missing calls? I had to go in there and turn up my volume.
yeah, that's why I was like, no wonder why I probably ain't hear it. That joint was low as hell.
Mm. Okay. No, you can't. This is my screen's up right now, Ferrari. This is mine.
Federal
So my
Reserve
short,
having
if
interrupted
you look
service. CH. Mm.
where you at?
Go ahead, my
You
bad.
listen in the chat. Uh You see my chart right now? You yeah. Look,
Yeah, it's up.
I got short right in this can. You see the 5 minute can? We got ICT, FVG, below previous day, low, 3 day, whatever. Boom. Short. 8 o'clock. Well, 8:05. We almost missed it. Talking crazy here. I saw it. And yeah. Yep. You see it. Yep. See? See? Also, you look. You understood this class already, right? Yeah. I took this class. MAE. Yeah, that was a FEG. Yeah, that was that. That was not my reason to enter, but yeah, I know UICT, so yeah, that was an FEG right there. My reason for the entry was this joint right here.
Mm-hmm.
So let me delete that one. This one. It's gonna
What?
put the MAE, the MAE uh between 1800 and 2100, right? We went with the MAE first. So we went up, open, high, and now we're gonna close. Right? We got 2 minutes for it. Um, went put it in. Now I got the set on the 5 minutes to go short. I have a swing high here, right here. I didn't take this. I waited. Got short right here. I only took 15, but it went for like 50 points or more. Let me see. That kind of went from here 124 points. 26. Yeah. Yes, sir. Also was this 50% on Sunday range. So when you look at this right here, that range 50% of the Sunday range. We opened up, so open, high, low, close. Now we got a new candle, and it's 9 o'clock. Say, yeah.
Yes, sir. I know. That's it. I was just letting you finish your teaching moment.
Thank you, my bro.
No doubt, man. Well, it's all good. Hope y'all enjoyed the show, man. Quadree, you got anything before we bounce?
No, man, just be prepared, man. A lot back and forth. Just be on the right side of the paintball table.
Facts. Yeah, I ain't got much, man. We'll just catch y'all tomorrow. We'll see how tomorrow goes. We'll be back on tomorrow. Actually, fellas, we might have to start at like 8, or we might just have to do Thursday. Wifey got a business meeting with some clients in the evening, so I got the girls and grandparents can't help. So I'll let y'all know tomorrow. So we'll see. Either we'll be live tomorrow a little bit later, or else we might have to move it to Thursday if y'all free.
Yep.
We'll let y'all know. So, but everybody, man, y'all have a good evening. And yeah, Carl, I'll catch y'all in the morning for Magic Hour. Peace
Yes,
out.
sir. Shit.